State Route 18 has an area known as the Arctic Circle in the San Bernardino Mountains below Big Bear Dam, which required scaling and blasting after another heavy winter with snowfall which loosens rock when it thaws. The other location is on State Route 243 near Idlewild, in which a large rock formation was identified after the 2019 Valentine's Day record rainfall that ravaged the Idlewild Mountain Center region. The rock historically has caused access issues for trucks, buses, and other large vehicles that use this mountain route. Caltrans takes steps to mitigate these slopes and keep motorists safe on their travels to and from these mountain communities. That's when we call in the heroes who climb these slopes and use their techniques to remove the debris and rocks that could come down without notice.
That's why we're here.
We scaled 20 plus areas within the circle and brought down close to or just over 3,600 cubic yards of material on top of the 1,400 cubic yards of material that was already on the ground.
In addition to scaling, blasting was required on both routes to remove the stubborn rock formations. The large rock removal was accomplished with conventional explosive devices during blasting. The smaller blasting uses a technique called boulder busting that requires water and propellants to break up the rock. Local maintenance stations assist with the blasting and scaling techniques and then the removal of the debris once it reaches the roadway. Caltrans is very proud of the efforts that these dedicated employees provide. This is part of the job the workers say they enjoy the most. This is Terry Kasinga with your Caltrans News Flash.